How to change cartridge in old and rusty vanity mixer. Lever L key screw is rusted and not moving. Not an issue. Just insert 11 number key under lever. Push it downwards. It will unplug you rusty and struck lever from cartridge. Insert flat screwdriver in every corner of check nut cap and tilt it to loose check nut cap. Turn it anti-clockwise to open. Turn the check nut anti-clockwise with the help of screw wrench. Remove it by hand. Now it's time to remove old cartridge. Grip the cartridge with plier. Insert screwdriver under it. Push gently downwards the plier. Here is the cartridge came out. Insert new cartridge with exact size. Place back check nut. Turn it clockwise until it grip firmly the cartridge. Tight it with the help of screw wrench. Check the movement of cartridge. It should be moving smoothly. Place back check nut cap and lever. Push it down by hand to place lever at exact position. Lever is moving smoothly. Your old vanity mixer is ready. It will work smoothly as new. Like and share.